Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. For today's video, let me discuss to you the Canva DALL-E and how to use DALL-E and Canva. The Canva has now 3 image generating apps to turn your imagination into reality, which includes DALL-E by OpenAI. Generate realistic images and art using AI. Create images quickly and easily with DALL-E. The image generator from OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT. So how to use it? First, let's hop into the Canva website and then log in to your account. Next, click on the Apps button on the left side panel. And then let's use the search bar to search for DALL-E and click on this one. Next, you can choose to use it in existing design or a new design. For now, let's select Use a New Design. Next, select the template that you want. And after that, you'll be redirected on the editing page. Now in here, you can start a detailed description that you want to create. For example, let's type this description. Click on the Generate button below, then wait for a while to finish generating, and you'll receive 2 options that you can choose for the prompt. After generating it, you can now drag and drop the image on the template, and from there, you can now start editing it to whatever you like. That's basically how you can use the DALL-E and Canva. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.